Happy New Year, y'all. Weed and Choco here. 2026. Just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the nature walks me and Choco do. Yeah, we're right out in the bush at a conservation area. There's coyotes here. You name it, deer. Lots of them. Choco knows them well, eh, Choco? I lost my voice a little bit over the holidays. See, we got all kinds of footprints, all kinds of coyote footprints there. But this is an old area, conservation area. Very beautiful, even in the wintertime, very picturesque. But Choco just loves it here. He just loves doing his thing. Mother Nature, just like all animals are meant to. Right, Choco? Well, this is our first video for 2026. Hopefully, we'll be able to do a lot more. I wish you all the best. Okay, Choco, let's finish up this walk.